Shenzhen Cycle Bike Vehicle Company Limited is a professional supplier of electric bicycles in Shenzhen, China. Our cooperation factory is located in Huizhou, which is very close to Shenzhen. We mainly supply electric bicycles, lithium battery packs, and sell them to overseas international markets as our own brand products. All of our products have passed CE RoHS test to ensure the quality. All the batteries on the bikes have short circuit protection, overload protection, overvoltage protection, and over-temperature protection. We are supported by professional engineers, efficient sales team, and competitive price advantage, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to more than 40 countries including Europe, Poland, Netherlands, United Kingdom, USA, France, Germany, Italy, Korea, and Japan. After several years of development, we have warehouses in the UK, USA, Australia, Germany, so that we can deliver our products directly to our customers quickly. Our R&D department provides strong technical support, enabling us to take on a number of OEM, ODM projects. We can produce at least 3,000 electric bikes per month. We will focus on the electric bicycle, scooters, and will do best for outdoor bicycle driving and power. We warmly welcome domestic and foreign customer inquiries for OEM and ODM business cooperation. We are a reliable supplier of electric bikes with 1-year warranty. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.